What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a no makeup look, aka what I'm wearing on my face right now. Definitely wearing quite a bit of makeup. Yeah, it took some effort to get here, but the whole point of it is to make it look super simple and dewy and fresh and natural, nothing crazy. Also super excited about all the products that I mention and use because a lot of them I've never used in past tutorials. Be sure to hit that bell notification so that you are notified every single time I upload a video, and if you're not subscribed, then I would love for you to join the family. I will have my vlog channel and my Instagram linked down below if you guys want to keep up with me more, and I'm just gonna stop talking and actually get into it. Step one is to prime your face. I'm using Makeup Forever's Hydrating Primer and applying on a very thin layer all over my face. I don't want to look too full coverage, so I'm going to be mixing my foundation with this Fresh Face Instant Glow Luminizer from Fresh. It basically just makes your face super glowy, and so I just mix those two. I apply it with a foundation brush, and then I go in with a damp sponge and blend it all out. Now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer to highlight for the most part, but also kind of get rid of any like eye bags or imperfections. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium Light, and this stuff is so good. Definitely goes a long way, so I don't like to use too much of it. You guys will notice that I'm using a lot of cream products for this look. I feel like it just helps to like melt into your face and look natural. So I'm using the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, and I'm basically just going in and contouring certain areas of my face and then immediately blending it out because we don't want it to be streaky, we want to blend it right away. So I'm just doing the usual areas as well as a little bit on my eyelids. Okay, so this might be my favorite product at the moment. It is the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk, and I've been using it for blush, so I just dab in with my fingers, and I think it looks so natural and perfect because I don't like to go overboard with it. Would you look at that? Another cream product. I'm using this Tarte Twinkle Stick in the shade Spotlight, and I'm just going in and adding it to the tops of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, all the spots. We're hitting all of them. You'll see I highlight a bunch in this look. So of course you have to set everything. I like to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I don't really like baking and I feel like it looks a little intense, but I do like to pack it on with a sponge underneath my eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I just lightly dust it over. You do not want to go too overboard and lose that like dewiness. So after that, I'm using my Makeup Forever Brow Palette in the shade 2, and with deep concentration, as you can see, literally had to put my hair up. I did my brows, and then I forgot something. So then I grabbed it, and it is my Benefit Ready Set Brow, which is incredible. I don't know why I just recently started setting my brows, but it just helps to keep everything in place. So I just brush them through, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't want to add too much to my eyes because it is a no makeup look, but I am going to add a little bit of powder highlighter so that the sun catches it and, you know, something's there, but you can't really tell. So I'm adding it to my brow bone, my inner tear duct, and just a little bit on like the center of my lids. Now I'm just going in and curling my lashes and then applying on some mascara. This is the Black Magic mascara from the brand Ico, and I'm super obsessed with it. So yeah, make sure you don't like cake it on too much. You know, we're trying to look natural. Next up, I'm putting on just a little bit of bronzer. Nothing crazy. A little bronzer never hurt nobody. So I'm just adding to my cheekbones, temples, jaw, stuff like that. Blend it in. Don't make it obvious. And then, yeah, we're gonna go in with more highlighter. The reason why I like this one so much, and it's in the shade Resilience, is because it is so natural and buildable. It's not like too blinding or too crazy. And then we're gonna finish off the lips with some SPF chapstick from Fresh. I'm obsessed with it. So we're just applying that. And then the last and most important thing ever is adding a finishing spray. Technically, this is a priming water, but also you can use it to set your makeup, and I put a lot on. So yeah, that's it. We're done. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a while since I made a tutorial with like a voiceover and having everything like look super clean and neat, so it was really fun for me to make for you guys. Comment down below and give me video requests, also any other tutorial requests. Once again, everything will be linked down below if you guys want to keep up with my life. I mostly stalk you guys and record my life via Instagram. I'll have all the products linked down below for you guys if you want to check any of them out. And now I'm just dragging this on longer than it needs to be, so we're gonna go. Bye guys.